Hello children. Moving to our question number 5, exercise 3.5, it is read the following stories and solve them. So first A part, it is Amar goes to the dance class every fourth day. When does Amar go to the dance class? At every fourth day. Now Karan, he goes to the dance class at every fifth day. Both meet at the dance class today. Now today they have met in their dance class. Now after how many days will they meet at the dance class again? We have to tell that after how many days will they meet the dance class again. So for that, what we have to find? We have to find the LCM of the number, so that we can know when will they meet again. Now see here, Amar goes to the dance class as every fourth day, so we can write here the table of 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, and 4 tens are 40. Now similarly, the Karan, he goes to the dance class at every fifth day. It means here we have to write the table of 5. Now see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Now when they meet again, so what we have to find? We have to find the LCM of 4 and 5. Now see here we are finding the LCM by listing the multiples of 4 and 5. That is why we have written the table of 4 and table of 5. Now see here, which is the first common multiple? It is 20. Now any other common number is also there? Yes, it is 40. So first, when they are going to meet in their dance class on the 20th day. So what you will write here? They will meet at the dance class again at, we have written the LCM. LCM, it is the lowest common multiple. So the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5, it is 20. So they will meet at the dance class again at, we have written LCM of 4 and 5 days. It means it is 20. So when they will meet? On 20th day. Fine. Now similarly, we will be doing the B part. The B part, it is Meghna cycles around a circular park in 9 minutes. When, at how much time she takes to move around the circular park? It is 9 minutes. Similarly, the Rahul cycles around the same and he takes 12 minutes. How many minutes does the Rahul takes? Rahul takes 12 minutes. Now they start cycling from the same point at the same time. After how much time will they meet again at the starting point? So here what we have to tell? We have to tell when they will be meeting again. Okay, so when they will be meeting again at the starting point, it is same to our previous question. Now what we have to write here? Meghna cycles around the circular park in 9 minutes. Fine. And Rahul, he cycles around the same park in 12 minutes. So when they will meet again, we have to here find the LCM of 9 and 12, and we will find the LCM by listing the common multiples. So first of all, we will write the table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, then 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, and 9 tens are 90. Similarly, we will write the table of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 6 are 72, 12 8s are 84, 12 9s are, it is 96, then 108, and 12 tens are 120. Now we have to see which are the common multiples. So which is the first common multiple? It is 36. And which is the next common multiple? It is 72. So they will be meeting again at the starting point after 36 minutes. So at what time they will be meeting again? They will be meeting again at 36 minutes. And if it is asked for the next time, so after that they will be meeting again at the 72 after 72 minutes. Fine. Now our next question, it is question number 6. Question number 6, it is that we have to express the following numbers as the sum of two prime numbers. Fine. So first of all, we will write the prime numbers. Every one of you are familiar with the prime numbers. So here first of all we will write the prime numbers. So first prime number, it is 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29 and so on. Okay, I have written till 29, means till 30 I have written. Now 18 I have to express as the sum of two prime numbers. So which numbers can add up to have the sum as 18? I can add 11 plus 7. 11 plus 7, it is 18. Hana? And if I add 13 plus 5 also, 13 and 5 both are the prime numbers. If I add 13 plus 5, then also we get answer as 18. So you can write this combination also or the next combination also. Similarly for the B part, it is 28. So 28 we have to select. Okay, so it means we have to see first here from which numbers we can make 28. Okay, if I select here 23, if I have taken 23 as one of the prime number, then 23 plus which number can be 28? So 23 plus 5. Yes, 23 plus 5, it is 28. So this is one of the combination. Now 14. So see here 14, the less number than 14, it is 13. But 13 plus 1, it cannot be 14. Hana, because 1 it is not a prime number. Fine. So next if I take 11, and in 11 what should I add so that I get 14? 11 plus 3, and both we are getting as prime numbers. So one combination we have selected, 11 plus 3, it is 14. If I can select 7 plus 7 also, because in the question it has not been written, you cannot repeat the digits. Fine. So you can write 7 plus 7, it is also 14. Now next part, it is next question, it is question number 7. Express the following numbers as the difference of two prime numbers. Here we have to list the prime numbers and then we have to see that their difference, it should be equal to 10. Now let us write again the prime numbers so that you are also familiar with all the prime numbers. So first prime number, it is 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. Till 30 I have written the prime numbers. Now it is 10. So the number less than 10, it is here in the, when we have to find the difference, then we have to select the greater number, not a less than number. Where we select the less than number, where we have to find the addition, where we have to add. Now number greater than 10, it is 11, but 11 minus 2, it cannot be 10. So we will select 13. So 13 minus 3, 13 minus 3, it can be 10. Yes, this can be one of the combination. If I can select here 29 minus 19, 29 minus 19, it is also 10. Fine. Now in the B part it is 30. So here we are not having the greater number, 29 it is a lesser number, so we will write further also the prime number. So after 29 the next prime number it is 31 and then it is 37. If I select 31, 31 minus 1, we cannot minus 1 from 31. So if I select 37, so 37 minus 7 it is 30 and both are the prime numbers. Now similarly we will do the D part. 18. So number greater than 18 it is 19, but 19 minus 1 we cannot select this combination, so we will take 23. So 23 minus 5. So 23 we have subtracted from 5 and it will give us the result as 18. Question number 6 and 7, D and E part, you can try it yourself. Thank you.